Hi everyone, Dragon Diamond here. Today I want to show you our list to CNC routers behind me. The model is 1325. This machine widely used in advertising, mold, and woodworking etc. industry. Clothespin is equipped with a linear guide rail and loaded with a high precision rack, which is matched with off wool with a 3 kW water cooling spindle. Their working area is 2.5 meters by 1.3 meters. The machine equipped with an aluminum platform. Meanwhile, one-piece well-bed body with a thickness of 6 to 8 millimeters, combined with a guide rails, racks, and high-precision easy servo motors and reducers. The entire machine greatly improves processing efficiency while ensuring stable operation. Manual oil pump. As seen, our machine equips an independent electrical control cabinet. This is the power switch, emergency stop button, and external UD port. This area can settle a 19-inch display screen, and the extra space in the electrical cabinet can set a computer hot if necessary. With a simple-to-operate control system in doorway, our electrical components are neatly arranged in order and labeled one by one, when each cable is clearly tail marked. Integrated electrical components greatly isolate the risk of short circuit. This is the related operation page. On my left side is customized according customer needs. It's equipped with a 6 kW air cooling spindle, automatic oil pump, simultaneously two pneumatic rollers. This can hold tightly for the line materials, can avoid materials to move around the way during the processing. It can also be with a vacuum absorption table, automatic tool change, multi-spindle, and multi-process auxiliary processing, just according you need. This is a machine that can bring you convenience, high efficiency, and high cost effectiveness. Now, the related sample showing.